Today, let's talk about some fill ideas using paradiddles. Let's get into it. So what is a paradiddle? I've already done a video on this and I'm going to link that at the end of this video, but a short explanation is this. To me, it's a hybrid rudiment. It's a combination of singles and doubles. Two singles followed by a double. If you can say the word paradiddle, the para part would be right left and the diddle part would be right right. Paradiddle, right left, right right. It automatically switches, so at the end it goes right into the left part, and that's the same thing, only left-sided. Paradiddle, left, right, left, left. Right, left, right, right, left, left, paradiddle, paradiddle. Here's a short example of what I'm talking about. Alright, let's go back to the drum kit. The first example that I'm going to do for you is where I take the right-handed accent and I'm just going to put it on the floor tom just to get comfortable with this exercise. I would say you do the same thing. So here we go, right-handed accent on the floor toms. All of these examples will be 8th note fill first, followed by 16th note fill. So it'll be a groove, 8th note fill, groove, 16th note fill, all of them paradiddles. Here we go. This next fill is going to be almost exactly the same as the first one. All I'm doing is I'm going to be adding the left-hand accent to the tom-toms this time. So all accents will be on the toms, somewhere on the toms, orchestrated around the kit. And then all the unaccented notes will be back on the snare drum. So check this out. This next example is I'm going to use what we've already done, but I'm going to take the accents and I'm going to put them on the cymbals. Now when I do go to the cymbals, I'm also going to add the bass drum with it. Now be really careful with this because you can really quickly destroy a piece of music by doing this, so use this one sparingly. Have fun with it, but use it sparingly. This final fill idea is one that I got from Todd Zuckerman, and if you don't know who Todd Zuckerman is, check him out. He's all over YouTube, he's all over Instagram and Facebook, and he's the drummer for Styx. He is wickedly good, and yeah, I got this idea from him. So what I'm going to do with this paradiddle idea, I'm not going to use the left-sided accent. We're only going to go right-sided on this. And I'm going to base this off of 16th notes. And what I'm going to do is the accent will follow this pattern, okay? Follow along. The accent will follow this pattern. It's based on 16th notes. 1 E and a 2 E and a, here we go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1. One more time. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1. That's how the rhythm will go, and the paradiddle will be inside of that accent pattern. All right, let's go check it out. Let's talk about how to practice this next. I am of the mind that you need to sit with the paradiddle first and work on it first. And I'm using it as a warm-up now. You can use this as a warm-up before you go to the drum set. I would say break out your practice pad, play it on the side of a bed, play it on the floor, however you want to do it. But take the first part of your practice routine and maybe the first minute, maybe 2 minutes, and really solidify or start to solidify your paradiddle. Solidify your accents, solidify your lower notes. Get it from 8th notes to 16th notes and then 16th notes to 30 seconds. Use a metronome. I can't stress that enough. Use a metronome, and that way you can see, you can mark down where you are. Maybe today you're at 100 beats a minute and you want to get to 110. Maybe in a couple days you're at 110, you want to get to 120. You see where I'm going with this? Remember that what we're doing is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Enjoy the journey along the way. Start with something you're not really good at yet. Enjoy the journey, enjoy all those steps of progress until you get to where you're perfect at it. All right, enjoy all of that. Remember, this is not a sprint, it's a marathon. So start with that 1 or 2 minutes on the pad or on the floor or on the side of the bed, whatever, and then take that to the drum set and start using the drum set. Start using the ideas I've given you. Create some of your own. All I did was throw accents around the kit. You don't even have to use those accents. You could put an accent somewhere in the middle of the paradiddle. Put it on the second note. Try that. Something crazy like that. All right? So enjoy that journey, folks. It's well worth it. It is really well worth it. All right, everybody. If you got something out of my video, I'd appreciate it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Share the video, too. Let's get this out to some more people. Also, over here, check out my in-depth video on the paradiddle. And until the next time, thanks for checking this out, and we'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye.